Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorial how to add shadow. So we have this example object, we have a rectangle, and if you want to add shadow, you can right click on layer and then you can choose blending option. To be sure for layer style dialog box, and to add shadow, you can use drop shadow tools, you can check, select, and now you can edit like for the color you can set into black color. For opacity you can set in it, and then for the angles you can click at this option to set the angles. You also can set for the distance, spread, and then for size. If you're done, you can click OK. Okay, that's it for basic Photoshop tutorial how to add a shadow. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.